Welcome to Feels to Phoenix.
Neat news updates that
Who are involved?
who are involved. I believe the entire province of Cebu.
Yeah. Cebu City, Mandawi City, and Lapu-Lapu City.
Mabuhay announced that they were doing it basically anyways on their own.
And what? What is that for?
That the governor and the mayors met with the IATF this morning, and around 2 o'clock, that they finally, about 3 o'clock, they finally
Yeah.
came to a decision that
Unity, unison, whatever it is.
the IATF was giving a final recommendation to go back to MECQ,
Yeah, modified enhancement.
modified and enhanced community quarantine,
Thank you. Good job. Okay.
which is basically where we were 9 months ago when we were, 9 months ago when we got here.
Yeah. And when is that effective?
It's coming in tomorrow,
No,
August
it's
1st.
first. Tomorrow is 31st. July 31st.
That's right, July and August both have 31 days in it. So, we got tomorrow to get out and get stuff done. But it's going from the August 1st to the 15th at this point.
But there's a but. There is a checkpoint starting tonight, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, checkpoints are coming back in too.
So I don't know if going out tomorrow, if we do with a checkpoint, I don't know about that. So
Yeah, because you showed me an article that was in Tagalog or Visayan
Visayan.
that explained that they were going to be, if you weren't working and didn't have this pass or that pass, and so it was going to be. We don't know, and that's the big thing right now. Is we don't completely know what's going on. I am definitely glad we got the place we did. I'd go stir crazy not being allowed out of that condo after 2 weeks.
So that's it. It's where we already answered that question.
Yeah, who, what, where, when,
how.
how? Yeah, that they're doing checkpoints.
Why is it they do MECQ because of that Delta?
Yeah, so there were some people that that tested positive for that Delta strain.
Yeah.
You said they were mainly seamen.
Yeah, but that's why I've heard. But I need to check resources.
But,
I need to do a screenshot that.
Yeah, that one's more scuttlebutt than reality. But for the next little bit, we don't know what's going on.
So John cannot do live stream for 2 weeks. We'll see.
Well, we can do live stream, but it's just gonna have to be office live stream.
Oh yes, that's true. But the walking live stream.
And we think, but aren't terribly sure, and it'll get kind of boring if we do it for 2 weeks consecutive. But
we might just do.
We might be able to do it through the neighborhood.
Yeah, we'll
as
see.
long as we don't head out towards a major, or go out on a major street.
Or we might just skip the one walking live stream and just do 3 live stream in a week. We'll see and find out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to modify, but there's gonna be some stuff going on.
Yeah.
Like this morning, we talked about, or I talked about going back down to the Del Corso or City de Mayor and doing some photo. Yeah, that not happened for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
We're not sure what we're going to be able to post for videos. I've got a couple ideas on stuff that I can do from the house, and so we're just going to have to ask you to bear with us, people.
Yeah.
We are doing what we can, everything we can.
Yeah, we appreciate it and we thank you for all the people that support our channel.
We definitely appreciate all the people that do give us real consistent support, and even the guys that just show up periodically.
Yeah. That's actually.
But at this point, that's it. That's all we know.
Just give you an update.
Check for more of these update videos here in the next couple weeks, and as we know more, we'll kind of give you more.
Yep.
And that very well may be what some of these live streams are about, is what's going on with all that. And we'll just take it from there.
Yep.
But we appreciate you, and Mabuhay.